welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. We're going to play with my mom.
Hi.
Hi. With it takes two. So this ugly notebook is absolutely monster because he's literally making all of the monsters famous. And I'm the big fat boy. Ang big kasi chubby. Wait.
Is it this one?
Yes.
Wait, hold on.
We did that.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Oh, no, that one. I go here. And check. Oh my god. Mama, do you know it takes three?
No.
Then it takes three. It needs three controllers. And the new character is absolutely a bird. It's absolutely a bird. Oh no! Oh no! The video is so sad. Oh my god! I'm scared. Okay. Oh my god! R1. Woohoo!
Hey, what did I do? Jump.
No, don't jump. You just jumped. Oh my god, Mama, I'm dying here.
What should I do? I forgot what should I do.
Okay, just shoot it. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're doing good progress.
I forgot what to do.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Oops.
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This Xbox shooting. You see? We're winning. We need to
Do it again.
Oh my god, because the beast is blocking it. Oh my god, I died. Okay, I'm back. Oh yes!
Do it.
Oh my god, the beast is targeting. It's targeting. It's disturbing. Oh yes! Ooh. You see, it's not the real.
Oh no.
Oh no! What the same one? Oh no! What about?
Oh my god. That's an upgrade.
What do you mean that's an upgrade? Last day we just got burned like that.
Oh really? I don't remember.
Yep, I already remember. All day. I remember that all day.
Okay.
In the Robo-Bee, we really gave us the fat fire. Okay. Oh, still the same.
No. We're gonna go here.
Okay. Oh, I almost died.
Okay, awesome. That's what we're gonna do if there's fire, okay? Okay, now go. Where are you?
I'm right here.
Okay.
Oh
Oh my god, you didn't jump. Why are you not jumping?
I'm really not.
Okay, go. Oh, jump.
Oh my! I cannot.
Fire! Where's your fire? Fire them, fire. Why? What are you doing? Jump!
Oh my god! I'm trying to fire them.
Just standing over there. You're not doing anything.
Yep, I'm a robot.
Oops, jump! Oh!
So I'm within God, so I didn't die. So I didn't lose the life. Oh, that did nothing because it's half a sword.
Yeah, okay. Put. Oh my god, I just died. Okay, don't die, don't die, don't die.
I will not die. I will not die.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Okay, okay.
Here you go.
Oh, I'm dying. I'm dying.
Okay, I'll help you out. Okay, stop bothering my son. Okay, we did it.
No, no, no.
Oh, there's another one. Oh no, jump!
No, it's targeting you. It's targeting you, not me.
Okay. I have to.
Okay, I will kill this. Get out of my mom.
Okay. Go, go, go.
You ugly beast.
Oh my
Ow!
god. Oh no.
I just got slapped by a hand.
Yeah. Oh my god. Where are you? No, 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 Gio, no.
Oh, I dodged it. I dodged it. Woohoo!
Okay. Oh my god, I just died. Don't die, don't die, don't
They're
die.
bombarding my shield.
Okay.
And then
Oh my god.
I'm just still sliding here.
Wait, wait, wait. Where is it? Oh my gosh.
Yo!
Oh my gosh, I got slapped again. June!
Oh, I didn't die. I just have a heart.
Go, go, go. Go, go,
I'm
go.
just shooting nothing. Okay.
Okay.
Oh! Oh my Jesus Christ! Oh! I'm trying to target them. Yeah, but I'm trying to target UV6.
They're protecting the UV. What? They slapped us both?
Yeah. What? Because there's two hands.
Okay, okay. Okay. We're gonna go over him. Or should
Okay.
do it.
Okay, you distract the beast. He's in front of you, and I will attack the beast like right in front.
Okay.
It's also in the back. Shoot them. I target. I'm going to put them with honey, and
Yeah.
you shoot it.
Go in. Go back. Just
Yeah.
ride. We should just keep riding here.
Oh,
So they got slapped at. Oops. Oh, where is it? Shit.
What? Oh wait! I just jumped over
Oh,
you.
I fell. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God! Oh! Don't pay. Okay, I will not.
Don't die. Don't die.
Come on,
Okay.
let's.
We need to always jump here. Okay.
Oh my God! Oh!
I can't-
That hurts.
Why am I not? Why am I not?
Oh! Okay, don't die. Please don't die. Don't die.
I'm right here in front of them.
Yeah.
Okay, ride again. Ride.
They're just shielding the queen.
Yeah, so we need to attack on behind. We need to keep doing that.
Okay, let me just put them up.
No, not there. You should always ride.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm right next already. Okay.
I'm not. What's happening? I can't even, Oh,
Okay, I'm just killing them one by one. I'm just putting the bees with honey. Look at the bees. They're like big honeycombs. Mama, just look at my screen. They're just like freaking chilling. Want to die.
we should really. This is working, so we need to do this.
Okay, let's target the next bees.
Oh, stop targeting. Weird. We need to keep doing this.
Over and over.
Yeah.
In case there's no more bees.
No, until you have put something on this big bee.
Yup, I'm trying to target the back.
Stop targeting the little bees.
Why?
You need to have, or you need to put something on this queen.
You need to distract them because you're just blocking the queen.
Yeah, but you should attack on the back, not on the front.
The big honey. Mama. Oh, yes, that's a good progress.
No, it's not.
No,
You're not that. We should damage the queen, not the little bees.
I'm trying to target the queen, but the bees is just.
I told you we should be here on the rails, not on the platform.
Also in the rest, the bees block it in the front. Look at that. Look at this. They're blocking me. They're blocking me to shoot the queen. They're blocking me to shoot the queen, so that's why I'm attacking the little bees. See? No. Jump! It's bleeding. Okay, I'm trying to attack. Oh no, there's no more bees. There's no more bees. Oh, right in the chest. No, there's right in the chest some honey. Come on, I just exploded. Ooh.
Ooh. Oh my god, there's tornado. Oh, I hate this airplane.
Yeah, because it's like nuclear bombs, right?
We should jump.
Ow! Oh, don't die.
Oh my god, they're killing us.
I'm not
Okay,
dying.
don't die. Where am I?
Okay, don't die. Don't also die. Don't.
Oh my god.
I'm just taking some more there.
Oh my god.
I'm just
Oh my
done.
god. Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes, we survived that. Oh yes.
Okay, it's time to jump. It's the sword.
Oh my god, I did
Forgot
jump.
to jump. Okay,
They jumped.
it's the sword again. You should jump.
Boom!
Okay, put
Put them with
right
honey.
in the railings again.
Okay, just put them with honey. Oh yes! I just slid. Look at this. The baby bees is literally. Oh, not the hand, please not the hand. Yes.
Anyway, I'm not targeting.
You just need to shoot one honey. I'm trying to target it. Oh, there we go. There you go. Oh my god, there's a bunch of more bees.
Okay, where's the target?
I'm trying. Oh! Okay, I'll distract them and you and I will and once I distract them, I will go to the railing. Okay, I just distract them and a bunch of bees. Okay, that was fun.
Hey, it doesn't let me go.
Okay, I will just let them fire. Oh my god, the bees is so terrifying. No more. Oh,
Oh
sorry.
my gosh. Oh, there's the sword. There's the sword.
Oh, there's nothing. Okay, now there's nothing hands. Other hands. Oh, don't die.
Oh my god.
Just please don't die.
Oh, we have something on the mouth.
Yup, yeah, I just put that. I just put that.
Oh, I got. Oh, I just dropped.
Oh, I just put that in the mouth.
I fell.
I just put that in the mouth.
Okay, you're doing great.
I just do that to the mouth because we didn't realize it had something. Did you just shoot it? Did you shoot it?
Stop being there. Go to the railings.
Okay.
They're gonna target you.
Oh, I dodged one of the slappers.
Okay, go.
The queen bee is just going in the front and not going and not and not looking black and not looking hungry.
Okay,
Yes.
I will target that. Don't worry.
Okay, come on. Come on, come on. They're targeting, they're shielding the queen bee.
Okay.
They're showing. Oh. The newbies. Oh, there's something in the back. There's something in the back to the stinger. There's something in the back to the spire. The fire. Yes!
Oh my god.
You just make the stinger bold.
Oh my god, there's a scissors.
Chimper.
Run, there's a scissors. Run, there's a scissors. Oh my god, no.
Chimpers.
No. No, dodge it.
Oh,
Dodge it.
Oh, don't die.
Oh my god. Oh
There's
my
so
god.
many chimpers.
No, see, that's a Caesar, not what. Oh, I just died.
Because
Don't die,
it's a
don't die,
monster.
don't die. Oh my god. Dodge it.
No, my God, there's so many
Ah.
chimpers. Oh, don't die.
Okay. Get it.
Yes!
Ah, I just got slapped. Okay, go to the railings.
I just go to the railings.
Yes.
Oh, I just target to the back. I just target it to the back. Just target it up to the back. Oh, I just put some honey into the body back. Okay, there's more there. Oh, I just target one of them. Wait, I just forgot. Oh, there. Oh.
What's wrong?
Yeah, it's so strong.
No, I mean what's wrong?
Oh my god, I'm very strong. Look at that. I just put some.
Oh! Oh no, it's gonna be just the railings. Okay, let's do this. Okay, put.
Oh, we need to put the chains. We need to put the chains with. Okay, those must be up.
Oh my gosh, I didn't see that coming.
Oh! I'm jumping.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god, I have to jump
This is so
again.
hard.
Yeah.
Targeting and killing the bees same time.
No, it's just a specific time. Don't worry. Okay, the chain.
Okay, chain time. I'm trying to target the chain, but the little bees is just shielding the queen.
Yeah.
That's the scene, like. Okay. Okay, let's put
Okay, wait, pause. This kid is so
annoying.
not annoying. Okay, go here. Okay, resume. Okay.
No! Oh no.
Ah! No. Okay. Okay, we need to jump first.
Okay, we need to jump first.
No. Okay.
Okay, the coast is clear.
Oops, there's another sword. Watch out.
Oh, I jumped over that. Okay, there's some honey. Oh, I forgot. I did it. Oh, there are some more swords.
There's swords. There's still swords.
There's still swords coming
Can
out.
you put some bowels in that?
What?
Put bubbles. What's that? Just put bubbles. What do you call that? Oh, why I can't? Okay, we need just a little bit more. Can't. Why you keep putting in there? There's the sword again.
The baby bees because it's just shielding the queen. So because that's why
There's a sword. Watch out with the
because
sword.
that's why I'm just still putting in some.
Oops.
Oh my god, I don't know. Oh,
Just click R1. So you won't fail. I'm gonna target that. Okay, there you go. We need something here on the chain.
because this. Oh, alright, to the top.
Yeah, please.
I I
We
cannot.
just need few. Okay, there's the sword again. My God.
Can you? Okay, I will target the sword. Oh, you
Yeah.
can put also in the sword too.
Okay, there's gun. Okay, where's the bubbles on the chain?
I'm trying to target it
Okay, there's the short again. Okay, I just blow it up. Hey, where's the bubbles?
there's the bubbles from the baby because this baby bee is just shielding the queen.
Put something. Okay, there's the sword again.
Okay, let's put.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, come on! We're so good at that. We're not.
Okay, but we're not targeting the chain. The chain is the most important thing.
Yeah, but I'm trying to
Look
target
at the life of the bee queen. It's almost over.
I'm trying to target the chain, but the baby beast is just shielding the queen. The chain, like the chain.
Oh my god, there's the sword again.
Ah! Oh my god, I almost scored.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, I got hit again.
Oops.
I won. Oh my god, I almost died.
Okay, I'm seeing a bubble from the chain. Okay, hang tight. Yes.
Yeah! Oh no, we're falling.
Okay.
I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye!